Show Grandma and Granddad how you're a big girl, eating at the table. Cheese.
Do you want anything?
No, I'm good, thanks. There you go, I got it. You say hi? Lily girl, can you say hi?
Did you not put any cheese in it?
No. Lily girl, say hi.
Hi.
Can you say hi, Grandma?
Mom's
Lily.
gonna get you some more.
Lily, can you say hi, Grandma?
Hi.
Grandma?
Huh?
Grandma? Can you say Grandma? Can you say Granddad? 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 Do it again. Do it again, he didn't see you. Say Granddad.
Dada.
Granddad.
Dada.
That's close. Can you say Grandma?
Dada.
Grandma? Yeah. Okay. Mom's getting you some more. Can you say bye? See you later? Say I love you.